If you love traditional human design, but you feel like some of the language of traditional human design doesn't really fit, the Introduction to Quantum Human Design program is for you. Hi, I'm Karen Curry Parker. I'm excited to have you here. If you love human design and you're looking for a bigger, juicier way to explore your quantum human design chart, this is a great place for you. In this program, you're going to learn about your innate creative capacity. I like to call it your quantum creativity. You're going to learn how to activate that quantum creativity by learning about your quantum human design type. And most importantly, you're going to learn about your emotional strategy and the messages that your emotional themes are giving you. So for example, if you're a projector and you feel bitter, that bitterness is actually telling you something important that you need to understand about yourself in order for you to be able to create what you really want. In this program, we're going to go through all of the types, all of the emotional themes, and exactly what you need to know to initiate, to reactivate your quantum creative power. I hope you enjoy it.